Ty.
Hi.
I'm going to tell you a story. First, we have to work on something. Do you know what we're going to build?
No.
We are going to build an airplane. Okay?
I knew.
You knew it? How? The only thing
I
is...
knew you were going to say airplane.
Really? Look, this one broke, so we're going to cut another one, okay?
Okay.
Hopefully it won't break. So let me show you how I cut it. I'm just going to cut this here. Oops. Okay. I'll pick it up later. It's okay.
Okay.
And this part, cut it around here. Okay, so
An
let me see.
airplane.
Did it break? No. Okay. So
The wheels have.
well, this one is not gonna have wheels, okay? So we're going to glue this part right here. Okay, so I'm gonna put a little bit of glue right here, and then you could put this one. Try to put it right in the middle of this, okay? Go ahead. Very good. And squeeze it down. Very good. You have to keep squeezing a little bit. Gentle, gentle. Very good. See, if you squeeze it too hard, it moves around. Very good. Okay, so now we're going to glue this big one just like this. Okay?
Oh, that would be my name.
Yes, the letter T. You can recognize the letter T. Very good. Okay, so go ahead and put that one right in the middle. Okay, squeeze it gentle. Let's see. Ah, I got some glue on me.
Hurt?
No, it doesn't hurt.
Also, not hot glue.
No, it's not hot glue. These pieces we're going to put right one on this side and one on this side. Yes?
Yeah.
Okay. You're gonna have to let it dry just a little bit. You try to get it off. Got it?
We have to scratch it.
You have to scratch it.
Yeah, scratch really hard. Or do it with the spot.
So this story is about a little airplane.
Wow.
That loved to fly very, very high. You're gonna do it the same way that I do it, okay? Hold this one. This airplane loved to fly very, very high.
Wow.
Very good. Hold it there. I'm gonna add a little bit more glue to that one. I think I put too little. The little airplane loved to fly very, very high. And one day, he went out on a bright, sunny day. The sky was blue, bright blue, and he was ready to fly very, very high. So he went out and he started his engine.
Yeah, is that it?
And he went into the sky. First, he went a little bit, and a little bit more, and a little bit more. And then he went all the way up into the sky.
And then what happened?
Then it started to get windy. Really, really windy. Even though he was really up high in the sky, it started to get so windy.
He didn't know the way back.
Well, he didn't know the way back? Well, why wouldn't he know the way back? Where did the wind blow him to?
I don't know.
Did it blow him all the way to Japan?
I don't know.
I think so. Do you want him to blow it all the way to Japan or all the way to Ghana?
Japan.
To Japan? Okay. So the wind blew him all the way to Japan. Should put it on the other thing. The
What?
wind blew him all the way to Japan.
Then what happened?
And he didn't know where he was. He didn't know he was in Japan. But we know he was in Japan. But the wind blew him all the way to Japan. And he didn't know where he was. And everything looked a little bit different. And all of a sudden, out of the clouds, he saw a great, big, big mountain. Because he was so high up in the sky, he could see the very top of the mountain. And you know what happened? He said, "Oh no, I'm going to crash."
Why?
Because it's very high. The mountain is there and it's so windy and the wind is blowing me straight to the top of the mountain. What happens next?
I don't know.
What do you think the airplane did?
It turned to not Japan.
This one goes here. It turned to not Japan. So, let's put that there.
And then it's done.
Not yet. Okay, so you have to put that there. Right there. So the little airplane was going.
The airplane went where?
The airplane decided, oh, what do I do? How do I make sure I don't crash into this big mountain? What do you think he did?
Turn.
He turned! Yes! He found a way to turn his little airplane. He turned it so that he wouldn't crash into the mountain. And he went away from the mountain, even though the wind was blowing so hard. The wind was blowing. The wind was blowing right at him and he was going away from it so he could try not to hit the mountain. And then he saw an eagle flying. It was flying right to where the little airplane was. And the eagle said in his eagle voice and language, "You have to follow me. You have to follow me so I can help you not hit the mountain." And what did the airplane say? He said, "Okay, I'll follow you." The airplane went and it started following the eagle. And the eagle helped him move away from the mountain. And then he was safe. And he said, what did he say to the eagle? What do you think he said?
I don't know.
Well, maybe he started by saying, "Thank you so much, eagle, because you helped me not crash into the big mountain."
And then you throw it back.
He would have gotten hurt, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so then the airplane said, "Eagle, how do I get back home to Costa Rica?" And what did the eagle say?
I don't know.
"Oh, I don't know how to get all the way to Costa Rica. I only know how to get to the United States." but I have a friend that lives there and he will help us. Who was his friend?
I don't know.
You don't know? Well, think about it, okay? So we are going to paint the airplane. Which color do you want to paint it? Blue, yellow, or do you want to make green? Do you want a blue airplane, a yellow airplane, or a green one?
Blue.
Blue? Okay.
Yeah. Oh, wow.
Okay, so I need you to be very careful because, oh, look at the glue. It's coming down. It's coming down. Okay, so be very careful with the airplane because it's still drying. Yes?
Me too.
A letter T.
Okay. Thank you. It's for me?
Sure.
Okay.
Because that's the letter for your name. Okay, so the eagle helped the little airplane get all the way to the United States. Very carefully, okay? Can I help you? Okay, go ahead. Just do it gently. So the eagle helped the airplane get all the way to the United States, and there they ran into a helicopter. The helicopter and the eagle had become very good friends because the helicopter would always come fly near where the eagle came to search for food. Do you know what types of things the eagles eat? The eagles like to eat different things, but one of them is fish. And they have very, very good eyesight. When they fly really, really high in the sky, they can see where the fish are or whatever it is they're eating. You can paint this part. We're gonna cover it all blue.
I don't think.
Oh, very careful.
Not all blue.
Not all blue?
Some yellow.
Oh. It's gonna look green because I put blue on this paintbrush also. Is that okay if it looks green?
Oh, did this
Green?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'll mix in some, I'll put some yellow on this one. So the helicopter said, okay, I can take you to Costa Rica. That's where you came from, right? Yes, that's where I came from, said the little blue and green airplane. So here's the green.
Who was the green?
You see? You see it?
Oh, you put blue in it?
Yeah. No, I put yellow and then the paintbrush had color and blue and yellow make. What color does it make?
Green.
Yeah, green. Okay. We have to, maybe we should let it, don't touch it, only with the paintbrush. So you want to paint the green? Go ahead. I'll finish painting this part and you paint the green. So the helicopter helped the airplane get to Costa Rica. But on the way, something happened.
What?
The airplane ran out of gas. Careful, Careful, careful. It's leaning too much. The airplane ran out of gas.
Yeah.
Oh no. Where is the airplane going to get gas? For his engine.
No. Let's tell the story. Right here's gonna have some green.
You want that one to have green? He ran out of gas, so they had to find a gas station. So they landed. And the helicopter said, okay, wait here. I'm going to go find a gas station so you can fill up with gas. The helicopter went away, and it seemed like he was taking such a long time. He wasn't coming back, and it was starting to get very, very dark. Then the little airplane saw the moon in the sky and the stars. It was very, very dark. And then he heard,
What was that?
what do you think it was?
I don't know.
Well, what makes that noise?
A wolf.
A wolf. It was a wolf. Paint right here.
Where else?
Is that it? Did you get everything?
No.
Where?
The bottom.
Oh, the bottom. We have to wait until the rest dries.
Yeah.
Oh, hold on, 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 hold on. Let me finish painting over here. And then you can paint over there, okay? You're gonna paint it green?
Yeah.
The inside?
Yeah.
Why don't you paint the outside green?
Oh yeah. Good idea.
Gentle, gentle. Careful.
Okay, I'm done.
You're done? No, you forgot the other side.
What, this part?
No, over here.
What is some more?
Oh, that part, yeah. You're right.
Mommy.
Right here. Yes, babe. But underneath, you have to kind of go underneath.
Go over here.
No, right here. Underneath the wing, right here.
Blue.
I have to put more glue on this thing. It's moving around too much. Let me see. Right there. Okay, there you go. Here's our little blue and green airplane. Okay, so what happened next? He ran out of gasoline and he heard the wolves. And he started feeling a little scared.
Why?
Because where he heard the oh, that means that wolves would be coming. The little airplane waited. And he looked around. And he looked around. Suddenly, something was moving in the bushes. Oh! It was sounding a lot closer. Oh! It wasn't a wolf. It was a dog.
It wasn't a wolf.
It was a dog.
Oh.
And it was curious about the little airplane. And the dog came out of the bushes and it jumped on top of the airplane. And it started smelling. It started smelling all around the airplane. And he was very curious about this airplane. The airplane was very curious about the dog. So he asked him, "What is your name?" And the dog said, "Woof."
did you say?
That was his name.
Wolf?
Yes.
Oh.
And what did the airplane said? Oh, is that your name? And the dog said, woof.
It said yes?
Uh-huh.
No.
In his dog language. So the airplane said, oh, woof, I'm waiting for my friend the helicopter. He's gonna help me get some gasoline. And the dog got really excited. He said, woof, 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 woof. And the airplane said, what are you saying? I don't think I understand you. But the dog ran away.
Why?
Where did he go?
I don't know.
The little airplane had that same question. Where did the dog named Woof go? A few minutes later, the helicopter came back. And he said, oh, little airplane, I'm so sorry. I can't find a gas station so you can get gasoline. The little airplane became concerned. What am I going to do now? And all of a sudden, the little airplane and the helicopter started hearing some moving in the bushes again. And it was moving and moving and moving, a rustling sound in the bushes. And what do you know? It was Woof! He came back, and do you know what he was holding in his mouth?
No.
A can of gasoline!
Oh.
Where did he get it?
I don't know.
Me neither. But apparently, when the little airplane told the dog Woof that he needed gasoline, and the dog got so excited, he got excited because he knew where he could find some gasoline. So he went to go get it. You see? So he went, he got it, and he gave it to his new friend, the little airplane.
Oh.
Now the little airplane could fly, and the dog Woof was wagging his tail, and he was so excited, and he came and he sat right on top of the airplane.
Why?
Why do you think?
I don't know.
Maybe he wanted to go with him. Little airplane said, oh, Woof, are you sure you can go? Don't you have a family here? And the dog said, what do you think that means?
I don't know.
Well, have you heard a dog cry like that before?
I think he doesn't.
He doesn't have a family? Oh, so the little airplane said, okay, Woof, you can come with me. So the little dog started wagging his tail. He was so excited. And he sat right on the little airplane as the little airplane took off into the air.
Wait, was he inside?
He was holding on very tight. But this is just a story, okay? So he won't, the dogs can't really do that, no. So he's gonna be safe, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so the Woof and the little airplane are following the helicopter until they got to... Where were they going?
New York?
No, you forgot where they were going?
No.
Oh, we need a little bit more paint here. To Costa Rica. So they were going to Costa Rica and they finally got there.
What happened next?
What happened next? The little dog Woof got off the little airplane and they said goodbye to their friend, the helicopter, who showed them the way to get home. And Wolf, the dog, started smelling everything. And the little airplane said, Wolf, this is my home. Do you like it? Wolf said, woof, 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 woof. And he started barking and wagging his tail some more.
And what happened next?
That's the end of the story.
Okay.
So you say, colorín colorado, este cuento se ha acabado.
What's that mean?
That means it's the end of the story. All done.